Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Black Panther. Black Panther. Black Pan Fa Black Panther. As the king of Wakanda, he is skilled in combat and advanced tech. He protects his people and fights alongside the Avengers. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Black Panther, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.